If you understand how compound interest works in all aspects of life, then you will realize that there is no point in going viral.
Naval Ravikant just said that there is no point in going viral on YouTube, but is that really true? And then what does he think is a better alternative for creators on YouTube? Well, in this video he will share 9 insights that I wish I knew before making over $5 million, hiring 50 people, and making videos like this, and this with over 1 million views. So let's listen to the first one.
There is no point in going viral. It will attract the wrong audience.
So here Naval implies that going viral will attract the wrong audience. But I don't think that's true. Before I explain why, know that you can download my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Anyways, I don't think Naval is completely right there, because you can still get 1 million views and attract the right audience if your category is broad enough. Or to be more precise with my words, you can go viral and still attract a high percentage of the right people. So then this leaves the question, what is actually the right audience for you? Well, here's what Naval thinks is the wrong audience.
People who came because of your simple viral trick or joke, they're there for the next viral trick or joke. They're a fickle bunch.
The wrong audience is one who comes for your viral trick or joke because they want more of that. But this is only the wrong audience for someone who does not want to keep making this type of content. Do you see this? For example, this video of mine now sits at around 1.2 million views, and it attracted the wrong audience for me because I did not want to keep making similar content, which obviously then hurted my click-through rate on future videos, which were very different topic. Now I actually found a solution to this that I never heard online before. More about that later. But first, let's listen to what Naval thinks is actually better than going viral.
If you had just been authentic, the correct audience would have arrived.
If you are authentic, you will attract the right audience.
And then you continue being authentic and continue keep growing with them and satisfying them.
Alright, what I hear is the following 2 truths. It is effortless to continue being your authentic self. And if you build an audience with a high ratio of people who will watch you while you are being yourself, talking about the things you naturally like, regardless of what they are, then you can keep satisfying them long term. Because
authenticity compounds.
Authenticity compounds. But inauthenticity degrades. I mean, it's not only easy to keep creating about things that you are actually interested in, right? And there's also something in human nature that senses inauthenticity. Difficult word. Inauthenticity. But when you sense that, you often stop watching or listening to that person, right? At least that's what I found to be true for me. And if you want to know other truths I find, I actually write about them in my weekly 2-minute email that you receive if you download my Google Sheet with over 80 free tools that I use in my creative business and personal life. All unsponsored, no affiliates, and free. Anyways, here's Naval about something very important that I genuinely, I think, saw too late. Listen closely.
You've already built something of incredible value, and it's going to continue compounding. So the value now is about the longevity. How long can you keep it going? Whether you go to episode 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 matters more than, you don't want to be in grinder mode. If you're just grinding, you're going to burn out. And the day you burn out, this thing is over.
Well, I think the key truth here, at least for me, is the person who keeps creating videos they don't actually enjoy creating will eventually stop. And that's not bad. But then the truth is that the compounding effect will stop, like Naval said.
They're not going to stick around. You're not going to be able to keep their attention. So I don't bother with anything viral or inauthentic.
Well, I don't think what Naval implies here is fully true. Because what I hear him saying is that his preference is to not make videos to go viral with that goal in mind. But it's because he doesn't need to, as he already has made his money and has realized the following. So then what is the truth here? Well, that a lot of creators want to go viral because they do believe that it is the fastest way to money. But then the question is that really true specifically for you? Well, you can listen to Alex Hormozi's answer in this video. Alex Hormozi, who has 3 million subscribers and an insane profit per subscriber. And I would say someone who speaks a lot of truth about monetization specifically. So if that is important to you, then watch this video. It's honestly one of my best videos. I mean, I spent months creating it, and I'm confident you will find it insightful. At least it was for me. Watch it here or not. Talk soon.